So this week, our friends at Rays Wheels Japan have sent us some really cool options so you can get a look at just some of what's on their lineup. Obviously, there's a ton more than what we have here, but this is a pretty good selection so you can see kind of what's available. So up front, there's a 17-inch Rays Wheels 57CR in a super hot pink finish. We've got an 18-inch 57DR. This is a classic, it's been around forever, and it's got some pretty neat center cap options, so they've included one of those as well. So up in front of me here, we've got one of the oldest Rays Wheels designs versus something that is very new, pun intended. So this is the third wheel to come out of the Versus line, and the 5.2S was focused mostly on big body cars, so wagons, sedans, things like that, which is why it's so huge. All of the milling and relief cuts on the wheel are designed to lighten it, so given its size, it's pretty light considering. Now I don't know how different these look on your screen, but the finishes are quite separate. So this is a classic matte black, whereas this is a black pearl engraved. And what that means is there's a little bit of pearl within the paint of the rim on the spokes, and you also get this super neat engraving of Rays and Versus around the rim that just complements the entire design and fits nicely with the milled ball accents around the edge.
I love you.
These are all very popular among the JDM crowd for obvious reason. They're stylish, timeless, and the finishes are amazing. So yeah, if you wanted to see more about what's available from these guys, check out Rays Wheels' website.